Are you still suffering from mosquitoes? Hey everybody, today I'm gonna show you to the UVA light technology mosquito trap. We will have a baby born soon and it will be non-chemical solution to protect him from mosquitoes. Its light technology attracts mosquitoes and flies, then gives an electric shock to them. There is also a built-in fan system to easily attract mosquitoes and flies. And it has non-toxic bait on the top. If you want the silent operation, the fan system with on-off switch to enable fully silent operation. It comes with a C-type USB cable and it has not inside battery. So you need DC 5V power supply such as power bank, PC or charger. The end of the week you can easily open the tray and clean it. The tray will be like a graveyard. I tested in my home and in the forest, but there is no mosquitoes. In these days there is not so much mosquitoes, but I will show its informed performance video later. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.